Bill Gates is warning of the risks of artificial intelligence.
AI and related technologies transform how we live, how we work, how we compete.
What will AI dominance mean?
AI could be our most spectacular innovation yet.
On AI's enormous promise.
Imagine a world where machines not only compute but comprehend. A world where algorithms breathe life into data, learning and evolving with each whisper of code. But the tale of AI is not confined to screens and circuits alone. No, its tendrils reach far beyond, altering the very fabric of industries, economies, and societies. The ripple effect of AI touches every corner of our lives. From healthcare to space exploration, from art to automation, AI's influence is as diverse as it is potent. It's an architect of revolutions, a sculptor of futures, and a harbinger of the uncharted. As we marvel at the achievements, we also face formidable questions. Questions of ethics and boundaries. Can we truly tame the power we've unleashed, ensuring that the algorithms we craft reflect our values? Welcome to the AI Innovation Channel. Today, we are embarking on a journey that delves into the heart of artificial intelligence. Uncover its essence and witness its impact. The beginnings. In the mid-20th century, a time of burgeoning curiosity and exploration, pioneers like Alan Turing and his trailblazing Turing test laid the foundation, challenging us to imagine machines that could replicate human thinking. 1950s witnessed the birth of AI as an official discipline, with the Dartmouth workshop marking its inception. The ambition was clear, creating machines that could simulate reasoning and problem-solving. Yet, early progress was met with skepticism as realities diverged from the lofty dreams. 1960s ushered in optimism and the belief that a few years would bring human-level AI. Programs like ELIZA sparked intrigue, simulating conversation, and mirroring psychotherapy sessions. But the complexities of human intelligence proved a formidable challenge. 1970s marked an AI winter, a period of disillusionment as expectations collided with limitations. Funding receded, and confidence waned. However, AI persisted, venturing into areas like expert systems that captured human expertise in algorithms. 1980s saw renewed vigor with breakthroughs in machine learning, unleashing neural networks and rekindling the spark. Yet, AI's potential still outpaced its actuality. Expert systems demonstrated prowess, but truly human-like intelligence remained elusive. As the 20th century came to a close, AI ventured into chess mastery with Deep Blue's victory over Garry Kasparov in 1997. The feat showcased AI's potential in narrow domains, but the elusive dream of general intelligence lingered. These formative decades laid the groundwork for what would become a relentless pursuit. AI's journey had just begun, weaving through peaks and troughs, revealing the complexity of human intelligence, and pushing the boundaries of possibility. AI today. Once a concept of science fiction, now, AI thrives at the forefront of our digital landscape, revolutionizing industries and redefining the very fabric of how we interact with technology. Today, AI encompasses a range of technologies that enable machines to simulate human intelligence. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast datasets, recognizing patterns, and making predictions that drive everything from personalized recommendations to self-driving cars. Natural language processing grants machines the ability to understand and communicate with humans in ways that were once unimaginable. The impact of AI resonates across domains. In healthcare, AI aids diagnosis, predicts disease outbreaks, and accelerates drug discovery. In finance, it powers algorithmic trading and fraud detection. Smart cities leverage AI for efficient traffic management and resource allocation. Yet, with these transformative feats come considerations of ethics, bias, and privacy, underscoring the need for responsible development. The branches of AI. AI has blossomed into a diverse field, boasting an array of branches that collectively shape our technological landscape. Machine learning, at the heart of AI. Machine learning trains algorithms to learn from data and improve over time. Recommendation systems, such as Netflix's content suggestions, is an example of it. Natural language processing, NLP, this branch enables computers to comprehend, interpret, and generate human language. Chatbots, language translation apps, and sentiment analysis tools thrive in this realm. Computer vision, giving machines the gift of sight, computer vision enables them to interpret and understand visual information. Self-driving cars interpreting road scenes and medical imaging diagnoses are prime examples. Robotics, melding AI with physical hardware. Robotics creates intelligent machines capable of performing tasks. Robotic arms in manufacturing, automated vacuum cleaners, and surgical robots fall under this category. Expert systems, these AI systems emulate human expertise in specific domains. Medical diagnosis tools and financial advisors that provide tailored recommendations are classic examples. Speech recognition, AI powers systems that convert spoken language into text. Virtual assistants like Siri and transcription services rely heavily on speech recognition. Pattern recognition, AI excels in identifying patterns in data, from detecting anomalies in financial transactions to categorizing diseases based on medical images. Artificial neural networks, inspired by the human brain, neural networks process information, recognize patterns, and learn from experience. They're instrumental in tasks like image and speech recognition. Autonomous systems, AI enables the autonomy of machines, from self-driving cars to drones that navigate without human intervention. Cognitive computing, this branch aims to mimic human thought processes. IBM's Watson, capable of answering complex questions, exemplifies cognitive computing. Sentiment analysis, AI can gauge sentiment from text, offering insights into public opinion. Social media monitoring and market research benefit from sentiment analysis. AI in gaming, AI drives NPCs, non-player characters, in video games, offering immersive and dynamic gaming experiences. The types of AI. AI can be broadly categorized into three main types based on its capabilities and functionalities. Narrow or weak AI is designed to perform a specific task or a set of tasks. It excels in these tasks but lacks the general human-like cognitive abilities. Examples of narrow AI include virtual personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, which can understand and respond to specific voice commands. Recommendation systems used by streaming platforms and e-commerce websites to suggest content or products based on user preferences. Recognition software that can identify objects, people, and scenes in images. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, refers to the type of AI that possesses human-like cognitive abilities, allowing it to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. AGI can adapt to new situations, learn from experience, and perform tasks that require reasoning and understanding similar to human intelligence. AGI is still a theoretical concept and has not been fully realized yet. Artificial superintelligence, ASI, goes beyond human intelligence and refers to AI systems that surpass human capabilities in almost every aspect. ASI would have the ability to outperform humans in tasks requiring creativity, problem-solving, and even emotional intelligence. This level of AI is purely speculative and has not been achieved. Currently, the most common type of AI is narrow or weak AI, which is specialized in performing specific tasks. Achieving AGI and ASI is the subject of ongoing research and remains a significant challenge in the field of artificial intelligence. The positive impacts of AI. In the contemporary landscape of technology, artificial intelligence stands as a formidable force with a multitude of positive impacts. This groundbreaking innovation has ushered in a new era of possibilities, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with our world. Enhanced efficiency and automation. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and execute tasks with precision has revolutionized industries. Automation streamlines processes, reducing human error and freeing up valuable time for more complex endeavors. Improved healthcare. AI-driven diagnostic tools analyze medical images and data, enabling early disease detection with unprecedented accuracy. This contributes to faster and more effective treatments, ultimately saving lives. personalized experiences. Through AI-powered recommendation systems, consumers enjoy tailor-made content, products, and services, enhancing user experiences and engagement. Advanced research. AI's computational prowess accelerates scientific research and exploration, aiding fields such as genomics, drug discovery, and climate modeling. Safer transportation. Autonomous vehicles equipped with AI technologies promise safer roads by minimizing human errors, reducing accidents, and improving traffic management. Data analysis. Businesses harness AI for data analysis, deriving insights that inform decision-making, refine strategies, and predict trends. Customer service enhancement. Chatbots and virtual assistants offer immediate and consistent customer support, enhancing user satisfaction and accessibility. Accessibility solutions. AI-driven assistive technologies empower individuals with disabilities, promoting inclusivity in education, employment, and daily life. Creativity and innovation. AI's ability to process vast data sets fosters creativity in fields like art, music, and design, leading to innovative and inspiring creations. Precision agriculture. AI-driven analytics enable farmers to optimize crop yields, manage resources efficiently, and make informed decisions for sustainable agriculture. Language translation. AI-powered language translation tools bridge global communication barriers, facilitating cross-cultural understanding and collaboration. Financial services. AI-driven algorithms enhance fraud detection, risk assessment, and investment strategies, contributing to a more secure and efficient financial landscape. The negative impact of AI. Artificial intelligence presents remarkable potential, yet its rapid evolution also brings forth a spectrum of challenges and negative consequences that warrant careful consideration. Job displacement. The automation enabled by AI can lead to the displacement of certain jobs, raising concerns about unemployment and the need for workforce reskilling. Ethical dilemmas. The ethical implications of AI are multifaceted. Issues such as bias in AI algorithms, privacy breaches, and the potential for unintended consequences demand careful ethical and legal frameworks. Lack of transparency. Complex AI algorithms can be difficult to interpret, leading to a lack of transparency in decision-making processes, particularly in critical sectors like healthcare and finance. Security risks. As AI systems grow in complexity, they become potential targets for cyber attacks. The misuse of AI-powered technologies could result in severe security breaches. Loss of human control. As AI systems become more autonomous, the potential for them to act beyond human intentions or control raises concerns about the implications of relinquishing decision-making to machines. Dependence and reliability. Relying heavily on AI can lead to overdependence on technology, making systems vulnerable to disruptions and failures that have cascading effects. Social isolation. The proliferation of AI-powered communication tools may lead to decreased face-to-face interactions, affecting human relationships and social dynamics. Environmental impact. The energy consumption of AI systems and their associated infrastructure could have a significant environmental footprint, contributing to energy consumption and electronic waste. Technological disparities. The rapid pace of AI development may exacerbate the technological divide, leaving certain regions or demographics at a disadvantage in accessing AI benefits. Misinformation and deepfakes. AI's ability to generate convincing content raises concerns about the spread of misinformation and the creation of deepfakes, eroding trust in media and information sources. Economic inequality. If not carefully managed, AI's benefits could disproportionately benefit certain groups, exacerbating economic inequality and creating new divides. Addressing these challenges requires a collective effort that involves policymakers, technologists, ethicists, and society as a whole. Striking a balance between harnessing AI's potential and mitigating its negative impacts will be instrumental in shaping a future where AI contributes positively to humanity's progress. If you found this video insightful and thought-provoking, make sure to give us a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell to join us on future explorations. Thanks, and see you in the next video.